Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to remove the virus from your PC. So I'm using Windows 11 operating system. So if you're still using Windows 10, you can do it. So it's similar but different interface, different security updates. But let's try to open the Windows R. So all you have to do is run this one, type run, and then try to type a clean mgr. So this is the first step. All you have to do is this clean up here. You can clean up your system first, like delete unwanted file from the recycler bin, thumbnail, temporary files, download program files, and temporary internet files here. So after that, you can clean up your system files. And then there's another way. Same, you can type Windows R to open the run. This is the shortcut. Try to search the Windows button, play, and then type R. And try to type prefetch. Sorry, prefetch. Okay. And try to delete all the file from here. So I only got one file because I already deleted. And then this is most important thing is the security, Windows security. So make sure you turn this on. So this is like real-time protection. And also you have to update this virus, a security or the Windows Defender here. You have to update and also you can manually quick scan your computer here. So please feel to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the button below. See you in the next